Hello, welcome to my channel. We will be doing question number 8, chapter 13, vectors. Okay, so this question has 3 parts. So part 1, sorry. Okay, so the part 1 says that, okay, we are given there are 2 points. Okay, you see, this is my origin, and there are 2 points, let's say A and B, and the vector OA is given and OB is given. Okay. The position vectors for the points A. Okay. So basically OA is given as 2i plus 12j. 2i plus 12j. And OB is given as 6i minus 4j. 6i minus 4j. Okay. And part 1, right on this, we have to write AB vector. Okay. So AB vector would be OB minus OA, right? And OB is 6 minus, sorry, yes, 6i minus 4j. This is OB, and minus OA is 2i plus 12j. Okay, so 6i minus 2i is going to be 4i, and minus 4j and minus 12 is minus 16j. Okay, so this is my AB vector, which is right in the direction of AB. Okay, AB is done. Now, second part. It says find the unit vector in the direction of OC. Okay, we are given that the point C lies on the line AB. On this line AB, there is a point C here. Okay, such that AC and CB is 1:3. So if I divide this whole line AB into 3 equal sections, this is where C is, right? The ratio AC to CB. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. It is 4. I need to divide it in 4 sections. So this is 1 and this is 3. Okay, AC is 1 and CB is 3. Okay, now we have to talk about, we find about the OC vector. OC. You can see that this OC vector is basically OA plus AC, right? Okay, now OA is 2i plus 12j plus, now AC is 1/4 of AB. 1/4 of AB. Do you agree or no? And AB is 4i minus 16j. Right? If I divide AB into 4 parts, then AC is 1 part, right? And CB was 3 parts. So AC is 1/4 of the AB. Okay. So now we have to just simplify this thing. It is going to be 2i plus 12j and plus, if I divide it by 4, it is going to be I minus 4j. So 2i plus I is 3i and 12 minus 4 is 8. So plus 8j. So this is my OC vector. 3i plus 8j. Okay. So we have to find a unit vector in the direction of OC. Okay. So we need to find a unit vector in the direction. So I will do this unit vector is going to be OC vector divided by the magnitude of OC vector, and that is going to be 3I plus 8j divided by the magnitude is 9 plus 64. Okay, so it is going to be 1 over under root 73 times 3I plus 8j. Okay, this is part 2. And now let's do part 3. Part 3 says, okay, the point D lies on OA. Okay, on OA there's a point D. Okay, such that OD. So D is somewhere, I know where, so let's put it, D is here. So OD and DA is 1 is to lambda. So if this length is 1, this length is lambda. Okay, O to D is 1 and D to A is lambda. Okay, now we have to find an expression for AD. Okay, AD in terms of, okay. So you can see this AD vector. Okay, let's first find DA vector. Okay, DA vector from D to A. You can see the DA vector is, if I take this OA vector, right? And if I divide it in 1 plus lambda parts, and I take lambda only, so this is going to be D, the relationship between DA and OA. Okay, uh, so this is lambda over 1 plus lambda. And what is OA? OA was given as 2I plus 12j. Right? Okay. And now we are interested not in DA but AD. So AD is just the negative of it. There is going to be negative alpha over 1 plus alpha and 2I plus 12j. Okay, so this is our part 3. Hope you understand everything. If you have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.